Yo, so thank you so much for tuning in today. So I have been working with this new company. I don't know if it's working, but I've been trying out this new company to see how they are. They're a little different than what I usually do with Thread Beast. They're a little more like, I guess, more dressier, more upper class, not so much streetwear. And the last unboxing I did, I was very unhappy. There was like one item in there that I liked out of everything. Since then, I've kind of told them what I wanted. I told them, what I need, especially now since it's kind of like, getting into like the winter seasons. I need more warm clothes. They finally sent me a new shipment, and we're going to go through this. Hopefully I don't have to return anything, and I'll just, buy the whole box outright. That's what makes this a little different than everything else. So they send you a box first, and you look through it, and anything you don't want, you return, and you just pay for what you keep. But if you keep everything, you get the whole box at kind of a discount. So there's like some incentive to keep things. But I'm like really picky. So if I can return it, I'm going to return it. Plain and simple. The first thing we have here feels like a belt, and I need one. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Stitch Fix got me, man. This is definitely keeps, yo. I need a belt, man. And it comes in this nice little bag. Yo, that is so dope. What? So dope. Yo, this is so sick. Cause I need an extra belt. Cause I only got one belt, and since I've been losing weight, like my waist is getting smaller, so and I don't necessarily have my leathering tool. I don't know where it is exactly to put more holes in my belt, but that's that. So let's go through the clothes. All right, so far it feels good. I feel some warm things. All right, so they wrap it all in this little thing right here. Let's wrap it like that. And we're gonna go through these, and just let you know, I'm hoping to keep the entire box because I definitely, need that, you see? Bread drum. Okay. These guys, you guys are so good. So far. How can I not keep this? Look at that. This is like a purple maroon type thing going on here. And and it's long sleeve. This is absolutely perfect, like fall weather shirt. I mean, I would even wear this for winter. This is like super, super. I am with this. My goal is to keep everything. I want to like everything. This is that and where you're killing me, Smalls. think that is a fair price. I got some bangers in it, you know what I'm saying? If you want to try this company out, I'll have the link in the description for you to try them out. You know, find out what you think. The process to go through it is pretty long, which I like. You know, they're really passionate questions, pretty thorough. You know, trying to find out what you like. And I can't ask for a better service. That it's like I said, people like certain clothes. And if you just all the clothes, so like last time, and then the pay was $100. I didn't really like the experience, but I've never seen anything like that before. It's salmon colored pants with like brown or something. I really like it. It was really good, but you did really tuning in. Also, just downloading this like keyword jokes on it.